if you are a romantic man, if you are a man that know the sensitive areas or the sensitive part of your woman, it's very easy for her to pour water. Okay, if you are a man that does not know how to make your woman pour water, one, it's going to be difficult for you to penetrate. Two, she's going to be having painful intercourse. But for that not to happen, if you play with your woman in these three places, I'm going to be revealing, or I'm going to be telling you in this video, my darling, she will keep on dripping till you guys are done with whatever you are doing. Do you understand me? As partner, it's very, very important you understand the body system, how the body system of your woman works. It's very, very important you know that. Okay, when you know that, you will not struggle to take her to cloud nine. You will not struggle to make her drip water for you, in order for you to know, to be able to let your cassava go inside her fertile ground. Hi amazing people, it's your girl Rhoda-b. If today is the very first time of seeing my beautiful face, do wait to hit the subscription bell to join the family. And if you are my returning subscriber, God bless you and God replenish you. You guys are the real VIPs, and you guys are always the reason why I'm always on this channel. So without wasting much of our time, let us dive into 3 places you can touch your woman to make her drip water like never before. Number 1 place you can touch or kiss your woman that will make her to be dripping water like never before is her clickly area. Okay, clickly area is number 1 place every man should try to play with a woman whenever you people want to know, whenever you people want to do mommy and daddy. Do you understand me? It's very, very important. In fact, according to scientists or according to psychology, they say the clickly area is number 1 weak point of every woman. Do you understand me? So if you are a man that know how to play with the clickly area, trust me, you will have her dripping, you will have her pouring water till the end of whatever you are doing. And you know how sweet and how enjoyable that place could be when you have her dripping or when you have her pouring water till when you guys are done with the activities. So as a man listening to the sound of my voice, if you haven't been playing with your woman clickly area, or if you haven't been kissing the clickly area whenever you people are in the art, or whenever you people are about to go into the game, my darling, it is a secret I'm telling you today. If you try to touch or play with that area, my darling, the kind of water that she will keep on dripping to the end, you'll be like, wow, what is it, my darling? It is every woman weak point. That is why whenever you play with that area, whenever you touches that part of her body system, it makes her drip like never before. Is that taken? Number 2 places you should consider playing with your woman in her body that we have her dripping to the very end of everything you guys are doing is her oranges. Okay, every woman, according to psychology, to scientists, woman oranges is the most sensitive part of every human body. Okay, it is the most sensitive part of every human body according to psychology and also according to scientists, my darling. So as a man that, you know, you want to have your woman dripping, you want to have your woman craving for more, want to have your woman doing like, daddy, you are the best, daddy, what are you doing, daddy, where are you taking me to, my darling, consider playing with her oranges or her watermelon. Trust me, she's not going to forget the memory. The memories is always unforgettable whenever you have yourself touching or playing with that area or with that part of her body. Do you understand me? Most of you men, it is what you guys love to do. It is what you people like to eat, my darling. Eat the whole fibers of the oranges. You know, like when you divide orange into 2, okay, you will squeeze the water, you extract the water and drink the fiber. If you don't want to have what is called constipation, my darling, you eat the whole fiber join. So that is how it is too in your woman body system. When you eat the orange and you also eat the fiber join, my darling, you will have her pouring water to the end of everything. Hope you understand my explanation. Okay, so that is number 2 area that every woman love, every woman crave, every woman wants you to play with them during the activities, you know, during mommy and daddy's activities. Okay, number 3 places every woman wants you to touch or want you to play with in her part of her body. Whenever you people want to do mommy and daddy, it's what I call a honeypot. No woman joke with that area. Okay, no woman joke with that area. After foreplay, after having that romantic touching and all of that, the next thing or the next place you should be running to or you want to have is a honeypot. Okay, when your joystick is in that place, my darling, it's a memory that both men and women, they don't forget, according to psychology. Do you understand me? They don't forget the memory. And my darling, without you having that area, without you doing that, my darling, I don't think you and I can come into existence in the first place. So no woman joke with that part. Okay, when you are able to play with a clickly area and you are able to play with her oranges, my darling, you will see her legs wide like about the express road for you to come in. She will even be the one telling you, daddy, the door is open, come inside. Shut the door. When you shut the door, you know the right thing to do as a man. Then, my darling, you will have her pour water like never before. You will have her dripping water till the end of the activities you guys are doing. Guys, with this full point of mine, hope I'm able to make sense. Okay, if you are a man that you want to have your woman pour water to the end of the game that you people are playing, my darling, do not joke with her clickly area, and do not play a joke with her oranges, and do not joke with her honeypot. In those 3 places, if you are able to play with those 3 parts or those 3 places in the part of her body or in her body system, trust me, the memory is unforgettable. She will never deny you whenever you say, mommy, let's do mommy and daddy. Do you understand me? So if you are a woman, if you are a man that your woman find it very difficult to get pouring water to the end of the game or to the end of the play you people are doing it, to the end of the activities you people are doing, my darling, consider touching or playing with those 3 places before you put your joystick inside a honeypot. Trust me, the experience is going to be amazing. The experience is going to be unforgettable. The experience is going to be mind-blowing. So with this full point of mine, we have come to the end of this video. If you do get value, my darling, do wait to hit the subscription bell to join the family. And if you are my returning subscriber, God bless you and God replenish you. My darling, do wait to check others of my video. Trust me, you're going to get value and you're going to get blessed for your time. Till I come your way next time, I remain your humble girl, Rhoda-b TV. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscription bell and turn on your bell notification to get notified when next I upload any other valuable video. Till I come your way next time, I remain your humble girl, Rhoda-b TV. Bye.
Thankful for my fans each day. Let's rock this Q&A Friday. Rhoda-b TV's here to stay.